Hello, my name is Sam Jow, and I am your child's math teacher for this school year at McMeans Junior High. So I'm going to talk about Canvas. Canvas is learning, our district learning management system. So in here, what you would do is you go to Canvas. You just Google Katie Canvas, or you can go to My Katie Cloud. My Katie Cloud. So Katie Cloud looks something like this. My Katie Cloud. You click on here. You will put in your the username and password. Again, usernames and passwords are located in the inside cover of your child's composition notebook, and then you'll see the Canvas. Also, there is an app for Canvas Student. Highly recommend you download it onto your mobile device. So in Canvas, you will see this. You'll see all your students' courses, but I'm going to focus on math. So this is our home screen. Class information is where you can find details about this class. You can see who teaches it. You can look for our biography. You can look at what school supplies we need, our grading policy, and here it tells you how we grade. Our grading policy, talk about the late homework classwork procedure policy at McMeans Junior High, talks about reteaching, retesting, and cheating. Also, let's go back down. We have our tutoring and conference time, and here you can tell when we have tutoring, and usually we do have it before school from 8:10 to 8:35. We also have tutoring during our 7th period advisory. Your student will have to come and pick up a pass from us. So let's go back to the home screen. So we talk about class information. Modules are where you find the assignments. So if I click on modules, you'll find all of the assignments right here. However, I highly recommend, it's probably easier to just go to the calendar. We'll talk about the calendar shortly. So let's continue on. We have discussion. Discussion is, I'm stuck on something. If your child is stuck, they can just go to the discussion board and write out, do you have any math related questions? And there I can respond to your child. Like, for example, I'm stuck on question number 7. Can you give me some hints? I get an alert on my phone, and so I can respond pretty quickly. The next thing is we have the online textbook. So by going through My Katie Cloud, it automatically puts in the password for your textbook. So you can load up the textbook, because I have heard from parents like, I would like extra worksheets or activities for my child. Well, hey, we have Canvas, an online textbook, if it ever loads up. So what you do is Student Edition, you'll click on the image of the textbook, and then you'll find the different activities and section numbers. It should look something like this. Right here, you can pick down chapter 1. I want extra worksheets on absolute value. And then they'll lead you to that section. You can have right, should lead you here. Yeah, absolute value. Oh yeah, right here. And so tools, tutor, vocab, check, worksheets right there. I knew there's a place for worksheets. And here are some where the student can get extra worksheets for it. So that is the online textbook. Next thing. So the last thing I'll talk about is the calendar. If you click on the calendar right here on the side of it, imagine this is like an online calendar planner. All of your students, all of their courses will be populated in the calendar. So this is how I recommend you use the calendar. For example, today is September 6th. So if you here, we'll list the homework. Also, it should be filled with other courses like science, social studies, reading, language arts, orchestra, and so on. So in here, For the math section, I do create a YouTube video for every lesson. So if your child is absent, last year due to the flu bug, we had several children who missed 1 or 2 weeks of school, but they did not miss any instructions because they watched the YouTube video. The corresponding notes are right here that follow the video, and the worksheet or the homework assignment is below it. So your child should not say, oh, I lost the worksheet. They can download it here. They can put it on a separate sheet, copy it down, put it on a separate sheet of notebook paper. I don't understand this math question. I don't know how to do it. They can go to Canvas and just email me. Or they can sit at the comfort of their home and watch the video over and over again on certain parts they did not understand. So I would like to welcome you again to McMeans Junior High to open house. Thank you, Mr. Joe.